Dear students, I am present with my second video lecture related to differentiation. I was telling you yesterday differential coefficient of addition or subtraction of two functions. Let fx is equal to f1x plus minus f2x. So fx plus h will be f1x plus h plus minus f2x plus h. So differential coefficient with respect to x, which represent d dx of fx, is equal to limit h tends to 0 f1 x plus h, because fx plus h is f1x plus h plus minus f2x plus h. So put here plus minus f2x plus h minus this f1x plus minus f2x divided by h is equal to limit h tends to 0 f1x plus h. We write here f1x with f1x plus h minus f1x plus minus f2x plus h minus f2x divided by h is equal to limit h tends to 0 f1x plus h minus f1x divided by h plus minus limit h tends to 0 f2x plus h minus f2x divided by h is equal to limit h tends to 0, but you know limit h tends to 0 f1x plus h minus f1x divided by h is d dx f1x is equal to d dx f1x plus minus d dx f2x. So d dx f1x plus minus f2x, differential coefficient of f1x plus minus f2x is equal to d dx f1x plus minus d dx f2x. Dear students, it is formula which will be used to find differential coefficient of any function which addition or subtraction of two or more functions. Generally, d dx f1x plus f2x plus minus f2x plus minus f3x it is very hard weather today, but see it. D dx f1x plus minus f2x plus minus f3x is equal to d dx f1x plus minus d dx f2x plus minus d dx f3x. Dear students, I will get some formula related to differentiation which will used to get differential coefficient of given function. Note: differential coefficient is also known as derivative. Differential coefficient is also known as derivative. Now I will tell you differential coefficient of trigonometrical functions. Here we suppose fx equals sin x. Then you know fx plus h is equal to sin x plus h. So we may write differential coefficient of fx by definition ddx of fx is equal to ddx of sin x is equal to limit h tends to 0 sin x plus h minus sin x divided by h, because here fx is sin x and fx plus h is sin x plus h. So ddx fx is equal to ddx sin x, limit h tends to 0, here fx plus h which is sin x plus h minus fx which is sin x divided by h is equal to limit h tends to 0. Here we suppose x plus h is c and x is d. So here use identity sin c minus sin d, sin c minus sin d, sin c minus sin d 2 cos c plus d by 2 x plus h plus x by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 x plus h minus x divided by 2 divided by h. Here we may write limit h tends to 0, 2 cos x and x 2x divided by 2 will be x plus h by 2 into sin h by 2 divided by h is equal to limit h tends to 0, 2 cos x plus h by 2 divided by 2 into h by 2. Here multiply 2 in numerator and multiply 2 in denominator, and sin h by 2 right here same sin h by 2. Here 2 and 2 cancel, so limit h tends to 0, sin h by 2 divided by h by 2 into limit h tends to 0 cos x plus h by 2. Here we got limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta equal 1. Here if h tends to 0, then h by 2 is also tends to 0. So we may write here limit h by 2 tends to 0, sin h by 2 divided by h by 2 into Here apply h tends to 0. We may write here cos x. But here suppose h by 2 equal theta, so we understand it limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta, which is 1 into cos x. Here in second step we apply identity sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. It is hint value. And here last step, limit theta tends to 0 sin theta divided by theta is equal to 1. Remember this formula. Dear students, आप देख रहे हो it is very hard today, but मैं पूरा प्रयास इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि बच्चों का जो भी नुकसान हुआ है उसका किसी तरह से भरपाई किया जाए और बच्चे अपनी पढ़ाई शुरू कर सकें। इसलिए प्यारे बच्चों, आवश्यक है मैं वीडियो में जितने भी डिफिनीशन फार्मूला बता रहा हूँ, यू नोट ऑल इन योर नोटबुक and practice daily from your book. So you know ddx of sin x is equal to cos x. Similarly, you can find differential coefficient of cos x, differential coefficient of tan x, differential coefficient of cosec x, differential coefficient of sec x, and differential coefficient of cot x. We write some formula related to differentiation on board. T dx cos x is equal to minus sin x. D dx sin x is equal to cos x. D dx tan x equal cot x. D dx sec x is equal to sec x tan x. D dx cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. and I will tell you next video differential coefficient of product of two functions and differential coefficient of division of two functions. Here I solve some example. Find differential coefficient of differential coefficient of 3x cube. Here given function who is variable x, fx, function fx is equal to 3x cube. So ddx fx, here we apply formula ddx 3x cube is equal to, we may write here 3 because 3 is constant into ddx x cube. Here we use formula limit ddx of a into fx is equal to a into ddx of fx, which I told you in previous video. So here we will write 3 into 3x power 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9x square. Here we use formula ddx x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1, which is also told you in previous video. Similarly, next is the example y equal ax whole power m plus b by x whole power n, b by x whole power n. Here we may write it y equal a power m x power m plus b power n into x power minus n. Here you know a power m and b power n are constant, so differentiate with respect to x, we get ddx of y is equal to ddx a power m x power m plus v power n x power minus n, because here given function is addition of two functions. So here apply formula ddx a power m x power m plus ddx b power n x power minus n. Here, because a power m is constant, so it out from differentiation a power m into ddx x power m plus, here b power n is constant, so b power n into ddx x power minus n. See here, dy over dx, which is differential coefficient with respect to x of given function y, which is addition of two function ax whole power m plus b by x whole power m is equal to, we may write a power m into x power m minus 1, because you know ddx x power n is equal to nx power n minus 1. So here x power m is m into x power m minus 1 plus v power n minus n, because here n is negative, so write here minus n, x power minus n minus 1 is equal to m a power m x power m minus 1 minus b power n x power minus n minus 1. It is the differential coefficient of ax whole power m plus b by x whole power m. Dear students, I write on board some questions for you, and you will try to find differential coefficient which I give you. First question for you, find ddx x power 8. Second question, find ddx 8x power 9 plus 63 x power minus 3. Question third is find ddx of 7 x power 3 by 2. Question number 4 is find ddx of 9 x power 1 by 2 plus 7 x power 3 by 2. Question number 5 is find ddx seven by 2 x power 8 plus 9 x power minus 4. स्टूडेंट्स, मैं बहुत ही बेसिकली डिफरेंशिएशन स्टार्ट किया हूँ। इफ़ यू फील एनी प्रॉब्लम then you write in comment box. Next, लेक्चर में आपको दो फलनों के गुणन का अवकल गुणांक, डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू गिवन फंक्शन एंड डिवीजन ऑफ two given function. All the best.